Hi, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. If you are new to this channel and you're interested in home decor ideas, organizational tips, and planning and productivity strategies, please hit the subscribe button and also ring the bell for notifications. On this video, we're going to discuss 11 creative ways you can decorate with marble contact paper. Yes, I love marble contact paper, or shall I say, I love the look of marble. I have marble on the back of my laptop and my pens and lots of different various things. So you can go online to a place like Amazon or Home Depot or any of those stores and purchase marble contact paper. Some of the things you can do with marble contact paper is one of the most obvious things, your countertops. If you're living in a rental and you don't want to deface the property, or if you're just thinking about having to replace your countertops but you don't know the look, you can actually experiment with some marble contact paper. You can see if you like that look, if that's something that you want to do. It's very affordable and it doesn't make any permanent damage to the current countertop. Another item you can do...
One moment. I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Alexa is always listening. Another thing...
You'll need to unlock your iPad first.
Visit Amazon.com/AlexaPrivacy.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to leave that in just so you can see what I have to deal with. Okay. So another thing you can do is align your bookshelf with marble contact paper. It will give you a very luxurious look. And I really love that whole lining of the bookshelf because it actually kind of highlights the thing that you put in there, like on the bookshelf, your decor pieces or your books. Speaking of books, you can use a marble contact paper for your book covers. If you have various books throughout your home, maybe some old college books that you don't want to get rid of, you can line those books with marble contact paper and then use those as decor pieces. Another thing you can do is for your tabletops. If you love the look of a marble tabletop and don't want to buy one, use that marble contact paper and put it on your tabletop. Another use is for framed artwork. You can put marble contact paper in frames and hang them around your home. It would actually look beautiful on like a pin board or a dry erase, well, not necessarily a dry erase board, but you know, one of those old-fashioned pin boards or magnetic boards. I think that would be excellent. Another thing you can do is align your drawers with marble contact paper. When you open it up, it can be very beautiful. Now, I mentioned the laptop cover. I actually purchased a laptop cover off of Amazon, and I will link in the description box the one I purchased. But if you don't want to purchase one, you can also use the marble contact paper to wrap around your laptop. Another usage for this contact paper is your stairs. They can be very beautiful and decorated with this marble contact paper. Another interesting use is a backsplash in your kitchen. Once again, marble contact paper is great if you don't want to spend a whole lot of money getting your backsplash replaced, adding backsplash, or maybe you're in a rental. Another thing you can do is the wall mural. You can make a very beautiful art piece with the wall mural. And last but not least, and actually this isn't last because you may have some different ideas of things that you can do with marble contact paper. But for this video, the last thing we're going to discuss is decor accent pieces. You can actually use the marble contact paper to wrap around various things and place them around your home. So I hope this video gave you some different ideas of things that you can do with marble contact paper. I will link in the description box some marble contact paper that I found very useful and beautiful from Amazon. If you have any other suggestions or any other ways you decorated with marble contact paper, I would love to hear it, so leave that below. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.